Have you ever wondered why you procrastinate? Even when you really care about something. Maybe it is a goal that excites you, something you truly want, and yet you keep putting it off again and again. Let me tell you something you may have never heard before. Procrastination is not laziness. It is not a lack of motivation or discipline. It is actually your inner mind and body trying to protect you. And I know you may be wondering, but protecting me from what? From falling, from being judged, from not feeling good enough, sometimes even from success. Because success can bring responsibility, visibility, or fear of change. Your nervous system learns to avoid pain. And when a task triggers fear, insecurity, or doubt, you freeze. Then the guilt shows up, the self-blame. You tell yourself tomorrow we'll do it. And then the cycle repeats. Here is the key. You don't need to force yourself to do more. You need to understand why you are avoiding, what roots or beliefs are behind it, and begin to heal from the inside out. When you understand the root, you can actually transform the pattern. You can build a kinder relationship with yourself. And from that place, taking action becomes easier and more natural. That is why I created Revive and Flourish, a workshop designed to help you break free from patterns like procrastination, self-sabotage, and fear of change. We work on healing at the root, reconnecting with your purpose, and building habits that truly transform. If you are tired of starting things and giving up halfway, if you struggle to stay focused or consistent, and if you know something deeper needs to shift, then this workshop is for you. I invite you to join Revive and Flourish. It is your time to begin again, to reconnect with yourself, your goals, and your energy. See you inside. You got this.